Okay guys, so I reckon we're all in a lot of different places here. Let me just start the beginning of Unit 5. So Unit 5? Yeah, Unit 5. So here we go. Just do a few bits and pieces with me right now. This is exercise 1 on page 177, quite straightforward. We've got areas of triangles, which you've been doing since before year 7 anyway. So what I normally get you to do is to just do these three triangles. If you draw them and do the areas, for example 7.2 times 9.1, and then just divide the answer by 2, and the answer will of course be in centimetres squares. It's an area. So just as starter questions for those of you who are not here yet at this place, this exercise, that's question 4, exercise 1. So just do those three only. Then on the other page we've got exercise 2, reminding ourselves how we do parallelograms, and I'll just say just do any three you like. Remember, parallelogram, got to draw it. It will just be the base times the height, in this case 1.3 times 0.9. Get your answer, and it'll be in centimetre squares. Draw and do any three you like. This is just a quick whistle stop tour of the simple stuff. No need to do any applications, they're no different at all. And then I normally get you to do the 3 trapezia right here, exercise 3, page 181. Here's your 3 trapezia. Remember, this is the trapezium formula we learnt back in year 8. Area equals half bracket a plus b times h, and the a is like the top number, the b is the bottom number, and the h is the height. Let me just refocus this, try and get it a bit sharp if I can. Let's see how it goes. So there's just 3 trapezia there, a, b and h. So you need to do that, and let's just turn over the page right now. No need to do any of these are just different trapezia. If you want to do question 4, it's quite nice because it involves a house with its garage. As you can see, it's just 2 different trapezia, the A, the B, the H, the A, the B and the H. If you turn it around like that, you may be more convinced it's actually a trapezium. A, B, H, and ditto for the garage. I'll just show you that. The A, the B and the H, so it's straightforward. Let me just move on to circles and circumferences. Again, this is year 8 revisited. You may recall, you need to write these down anyway. Circumference and area of a circle. The circumference of a circle is pi d, and circumference is also equal to 2 pi r, because 2 radiuses make 1 diameter, so these are actually identical. And also the area of a circle is pi r squared. Not sure how clearly you can see it, but you do have your test books in front of you. And that's the introduction on page 183. Then we flip over the page and we just do some of these. What I normally do is get you to do some starter questions, do a couple involving radii, the circumference and the area, and here just do a couple involving diameters, circumference and area. So that's that. And to get onto the proper year 9 stuff, we come over here. Want to work out the perimeter of this shape, for example. Well, that means you work out the entire circumference by going c equals 2 pi r. Don't forget to divide by 2, because this semicircular arc is exactly that. It's a semicircle. So just divide your answer by 2. And if you do a proper perimeter, you're going to have your answer of your semicircular arc, and you're going to walk across here as well, because that's part of the perimeter of the shape. So this will be whatever the semicircular distance is, plus 14 plus another 14. So don't forget to add on 28 onto your answer. And there's 8 questions there. Do any 4 that you want to do and you'll be fine. Here, these are just quarter circles. So once again, to get the perimeter, you go c equals 2 pi r, and the radius there is 4.2. Let's try and refocus. That's a bit better. 4.2. So you get your answer as if it was a full circle, divide by 4, that gives you the length there of that part of the circumference, which is a quarter circle. And in order to work out the full perimeter, don't forget to add on 4.2 for that part, and 4.2 coming down to there. And that's that. I'll pause the video at this point because that should give some of you enough to do, especially those who've been away for quite a long time. So Brandon, you've got this anyway to look forward to. Work at your own pace, and I'll probably do another lesson whenever I see you again, or maybe another video for those who've actually gone beyond that and who are doing composite shapes. But I'll stop this video for now. I want to keep it short. Okay.